how to fix WhatsApp business notification problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp business notification problem on Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here you will find the scroll all the way down until you find it here WhatsApp business. Click on it and then click storage, and not storage, click notifications. And as you see here, you can manage notifications problem. You can manage here call notifications or message notifications or anything you want, and then just click on it like message notifications. And here you can manage notification sound. If you want, you can change it, and if you want to allow it, just allow this one here and this one banners. Maybe you will find it like that, then just allow this one and then this one, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.